Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change a post from paid to free. To change a post from paid to free on Substack, follow these detailed steps. The first thing to do is to log into your Substack account. So open your web browser and navigate to the Substack website. Then enter your email address and password to log into your account if prompted. Once logged in the left-hand main navigation menu, click on Home, which is here to view your existing post. So locate the post you want to change from paid to free. Now this is my post. I'm going to click on it. So click on the title of the post you want to edit. And at the top right corner, go ahead and click on the three dots menu there. And from the drop down, you're going to see edit post. Select edit post, and that's going to take you into the post editor. In the post editor, you need to look for the section that indicated whether the post is set to pay or free. And how do you do that? Or how do you check that? Check the bottom right corner of the screen. You're going to find the settings wheel. Click on settings, and that takes you to the settings option. Now, from the settings option, how you would know if this post is paid or is set as paid is if the circle right next to paid subscribers only has been, has been turned on or has been selected. So if this post is paid, then it's just going to be selected to paid subscribers only, not everyone. So if you want to make these paid posts, let's say it was initially selected as paid subscribers only, which makes it paid. For you to change it to free, ensure that it is set to everyone. Now, I'm not able to set it to paid subscriber only because I need to turn on the paid subscriptions for this and I have to follow through some prompts. But it has been set to everyone, so this post is already free automatically. But let's say if it is here, which is paid subscribers only, ensure that it is set to everyone. Once it is set to everyone, it means your post is free and not paid. Do you get it? So if it is in everyone, it means it is free. After selecting everyone, ensure that the post is now designated as free in the editor, and you should see an indicator that it is set to everyone, making this free. That's pretty much it. So by following the steps, you can successfully change a post from paid to free on Substack, making it accessible to all your readers. All your readers. All readers should be able to view the post without any payment or subscription requirements. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.